Hi everyone, and welcome to the 2018 Google Analytics Bootcamp. I'm Dan Greco. I'm a growth strategist, Google Analytics, and Tag Manager Pro. I have 5 years of experience setting up advanced Google Analytics implementations and using that data to optimize digital marketing channels and website and app user experience. I'm here to share the tips and tricks and secrets that I've learned throughout my career so that you can add these super valuable skills to your arsenal and start growth hacking your business and career to success. You'll learn the best practices of Google Analytics, starting with the ideal setup and configuration settings to provide you a clean and organized data set. Then dig into the various types of reports and how to analyze them to extract insights and ideas. In the second part of the course, we'll cover Google Tag Manager, the tool that makes setting up tracking super easy for marketers. It's a really valuable tool that not many people know how to use, despite it being out for about 5 years. You'll learn how to track button clicks, form submissions, scroll depth, and send it to Google Analytics, as well as add third-party tracking pixels like Facebook. Most importantly, you'll learn how to test your data and ensure its accuracy and write proper documentation. As a bonus, you'll receive a copy of my Google Analytics audit checklist, my pre-configured Google Tag Manager container, which has advanced tracking for things like embedded YouTube videos, scroll tracking, and even weather tracking already set up. And I'll instruct you how to import it to your Google Tag Manager account. I'll also provide a campaign tracking Google Sheet to track and store your custom URLs. I want to provide the most valuable tips and tricks and present them in the most efficient way possible. Google Analytics and Tag Manager are powerful tools, and lots of people get overwhelmed with the learning curve. So the goal is to help you learn them faster than sifting through documentation, binge watching YouTube tutorials, or taking a more lengthy online course. I promise I won't waste any time on fluff or anything I deem insignificant. And based on the questions I receive, I will do my best to put out regular course updates and answer them. I also want to inspire leaders and future leaders to be more data-driven. It's important that leaders and entrepreneurs understand their data and create a data-driven culture so that decisions are informed by solid evidence. And now more than ever, with the right education and discipline, it's easiest to do. The tips and tricks and reports are all geared around simple ways to extract learnings, also known as insights, from your data and answer key business questions about your users, marketing, and website performance. This course is designed for digital marketers, strategists, growth hackers, UX professionals, e-commerce managers, web developers, and startup leaders that have some experience poking around in Google Analytics but want to up their game. By the end of the course, you'll have an extremely valuable skill to add to your arsenal, but more importantly, you'll have a data-driven mindset and process for approaching optimization and growth. You might be wondering, why do I need these skills? Digital insights are the new currency of business. More and more businesses are relying on data to make informed decisions. Today, businesses of all sizes are looking to harness the power of data to drive their growth. The problem is there's a substantial talent gap for analytics skills. Just like advertising effectiveness is measured with return on investment, or ROI, I think of this course from a value perspective. I call it return on learning, or ROL. The skills and resources in this course are designed just like any other bootcamp, to give you advanced knowledge as fast as possible so that you can start applying what you learn to generate results. There are 6 ways this course generates ROL. You can add these skills to boost your resume to land that dream job. You can use these skills to show your initiative when negotiating a pay increase. If you're a seasoned marketer, you'll be able to better represent your effectiveness as well as identify more opportunities. Knowing how to find and analyze analytics data can help you find ideas for A/B testing, optimizing your website, or simply getting a better understanding of website performance. You can also reduce your reliance on expensive analytics contractors like myself, or even help you raise funds for your startup because investors love data-hungry leaders. Since you've made it to this point in the video, I'm sure you're seeing the value in these skills and tools. I look forward to seeing you in the course.